Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Zoom app when it's not working on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to search for Zoom. When the Zoom app appears in the results, look for the update button right under the app name. Now, if you see an update button available, simply tap it to install the latest version. However, if there's no update button showing, like in my case, that means your Zoom app is already up to date, so you can move on to the next step. Keeping your app updated is important because updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve many common issues. Next, tap on Settings in your mobile. This will open your device's main settings menu where you can manage all your apps and system configurations. From there, tap on Apps. This section gives you access to all the applications installed on your device and allows you to manage their individual settings. Now tap on Zoom from the list of apps. This will take you to the specific settings page for the Zoom application where you can manage its storage, permissions, and other important features. Once you're on the Zoom app settings page, tap on Storage and Cache. This is where you can clear temporary files that might be causing the app to malfunction. At the top of this screen, tap Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files that the app has stored, which can sometimes become corrupted and prevent the app from working properly. Clearing the cache is a safe operation and won't delete your login information or any important data. After clearing the cache, go back to the Zoom settings page. Now tap on Permissions. This section controls what features and hardware the Zoom app can access on your device. Here you'll want to allow permissions like phone, camera, microphone, and any other permissions that you see listed. These permissions are essential for Zoom to function correctly since it needs access to your camera and microphone for video calls. Once you've granted all the necessary permissions, go ahead and launch the Zoom app to see if it's working properly now. In most cases, updating the app, clearing the cache, and ensuring proper permissions are granted will resolve the issue. However, if the app still doesn't work after following all these steps, your last option is to uninstall and reinstall the Zoom app. This gives you a completely fresh installation and often fixes persistent problems that other methods couldn't resolve. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.